it's Miss Amy at the Grass Valley Library. Welcome to another edition of Random Acts of Science. Today we are going to make a volcano erupt out of a lemon. So if you haven't already gotten a bag from the library, you can go ahead and grab one. Inside you are going to find a description of the project with instructions, some more resources on the back, a lemon, a craft stick or popsicle stick, and some baking soda. From home, you're also going to need, if you'd like, some dishwashing soap, some food coloring if you have it. I've got a couple colors here. And then a big plate or dish or bowl big enough to contain the eruption. So, are you ready to get started? Let's do it. So the first thing that you're going to do is have an adult help you cut the lemon in half. And then you're going to set it on your tray. You're going to take your craft stick and you're going to poke some holes in each one of the segments of this lemon. And what we're doing today is we're going to create a volcano by taking advantage of the base and acid reaction. So do you think that lemons are acidic or basic? So lemon juice, right? That's a good indicator. Lemons are sour, they're kind of acidic. So lemons have citric acid in them. That's a pretty strong acid. We're going to combine that with a base, which has very little acid, or the opposite of acid. It's a very it's a very basic chemical, which is the baking soda. When those two combine, they create carbon dioxide, which is a fizzy gas that's going to help us look like this lemon is erupting like a volcano. And we're going to do some things to urge that along. So the first one is poking the holes in each one of the segments of the lemon. Once you've got that done, if you have some food coloring and you'd like to use it, it just makes it easier to see what's going on, and it makes it a little bit more dramatic. You can use all kinds of colors. You can use one color. You can alternate colors. I'm going to go a little bit Christmassy here, and I'm going to put a dab of green in half of the segments, and I'm going to put red in the other half. It's getting messy already. So here we go. Okay, so I've got my lemon all full of its stuff. I'm going to zero in here so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, so I've got the lemon full of food coloring. I did put some gloves on to keep my hands from getting all stained. The next thing we're going to do is cover it with baking or dish soap. I just poured it all over the top of the lemon. Maybe next time I would cut the lemon, the bottom of the lemon off so it sat flat. And then the last thing we're going to do is add the food coloring, add the baking soda. So I'm going to add the baking soda to the top. I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. We're going to use this to get it plugged in there a little bit more, and that'll get it started. And then we can watch it erupt. So it might take a while. You can definitely add some more of this on the top. You can poke some more holes in there and really get that acid and base mixed together so that they start foaming. How did it go? Did yours erupt as much as mine did? If you want to go even further with this, or you want to make it even more exciting, you can take the other half of the lemon and squeeze some more lemon juice onto it, and it'll keep going for a while yet. See you next week on the next episode of Random Acts of Science.